Impressive, you say? Wait till you see the next test. I have here the Phalanx lubricity tester. It mimics the Timken test ASTM D2509. I have a Timken race bearing and a Timken taper bearing. The race is mounted on the spindle here, and the Timken bearing is mounted inside here on this armature. I'll be applying 1 pound weights on this arm here, which will add pressure on this arm here. The more weights it goes, the more pressure it adds. I have 2 greases here. I have Huskey Tuff stuff, and I have a competitor's grease. I'm going to apply the competitor's grease to the spindle here, and then we'll start applying pressure to this bearing to see what happens. We'll liberally coat the spindle here, then we'll move the bearing and the arm down onto it. As you can see, I have about 4.6 amps here. Now I will incrementally apply these weights to continue the pressure on that bearing and the grease. Starting to squeal. You can see that that's starting to move up a little bit. We're almost at 6. Starting to smoke. Zoom out. Now I'm going to apply some Huskey Tuff stuff. Liberally apply Huskey Tuff stuff to it, and to drop the amperes right back down to 4.6 and stop the squealing, and it's operating right over top of the other grease. We'll continue to add weights, and we'll put weights on at 2 pound increments. As you can see, it's still riding pretty smooth. That's 13 pounds. There's 14 pounds. As you can see, that's a lot of pressure on that grease. And there's no smoking. So the Huskey Tuff stuff has performed admirably against the competitor's brand.